All right, so here is the question again. We have got a house that is being renovated, 2 corridors that meet at right angles. And now I've lost my cursor. Oh, there it is. And we need to basically determine the length of this ladder. Okay, here is the ladder. So if I zoom in, all right, and Damon has told us, Denim has told us that we're going to draw a line down. Okay. So we've made what type of shape here? Right, what type of triangle? A triangle. Okay, good. And you can see I'm still getting used to this. Maybe I can do it like this. Ooh. Maybe I can't do it like that. Okay, let's try again. Apparently it does get easier to use. How do you know, Grayson, that it is an isosceles triangle? Right. What else makes it? Yeah, but there's something specific about isosceles triangles. What makes isosceles triangles isosceles? Not all the sides are different lengths. Liam?
The 2 angles are the same.
Okay, well, how do you know that these 2 angles are the same?
Because if there's like a 90, if you look at the top right, there's like a 90-degree angle. And
Yep.
45 plus 45 is
Right, okay, so this angle here, this whole thing is 90 degrees, yes. So the angle inside, if this one is 45, then this one is 45. And if this is 45, then this one is also 45. Now, if these 2 angles are the same, which they are, then this side is also 2. So how do we work out this length here? Right, we use Pythagoras, right? So am I finding the shorter or longer side? Longer side. So somebody tell me how I can then, what do I write to work out the length of x, John? Right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Right, okay, good. So you said 2 squared plus 2 squared equals x squared. Damon, what is 2 squared? What is 2 squared? Good. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Sana, what must you remember to do to your answer?
You have to root it.
Right, good. So we will have the square root of 8. Okay, we'll just leave it like that for the minute. So we found part of this ladder, okay? Well, we'll change it at the very end, okay? Yes, Grayson.
Now, to find the rest of the ladder, you have to make another triangle for the rest of the line.
Exactly. So we need to now make another triangle. So we've made another right angle triangle. What is this distance?
1.
Okay, now what about these angles here?
45.
Right, good. Why is this one 45 in here? Because, yeah, this is 90, 45, and 45. Angles in a triangle have to add up to? Excuse me? 180. Sorry, I thought you said something else. Okay. So this is 45. This is quite small. And this one is 45. Okay. So what is then, I'll just, no, because,
They're both the same length, always.
yeah, because remember in an isosceles triangle, the sides of the triangle are 2 sides are the same, okay? So 2 angles the same, 2 sides the same. So then how do we work out this red side? Right, same thing. So talk me through x squared equals. Actually, should we call it x? Let's call it y because it's different to the other one. So y squared equals. So y squared equals, which is? So y equals. Right. So the length. No, you're just watching. Of the ladder is equal to what? Oh no, let's hold up a minute. Let's go back to our surds. Root 8 plus root 2. Now, can we add the surds when the number underneath the surd is different? Hold up, Delia. Can we add the surds when the two numbers are different? No. Okay. Can we make them the same? Okay. What can we make root 8 the same as? Eliza? Now, you're definitely right with the root 2 bit, but it also has to be root 4, okay? Because remember, root 4 times root 2 is root 8. Okay? Now, root 4 is the same as? Right. So we've got 2 root 2 plus root 2. Can we add them together now?
Yes.
Right. How many root 2's do we have? 3 root 2. Good. I'll just go down. So that is the length of the ladder. Put that into your calculator for me and give me it as a decimal. 4.2. And is that to 1 decimal place? All right. Well, the thing is, if you simplify them earlier, you may make a rounding error, and then you may make another rounding error when you add them together, okay? It's as long as you're very, very careful if you simplify them earlier, okay?